Hey, what's up? Hello, welcome or welcome back to Ebony Told You. I am Ebony, and if you end up loving the vibes, make sure you hit that subscribe, homie. You wanna try that again? Hey, what's up? Hello, welcome or welcome back to Ebony Told You. I am Ebony, and if you end up loving the vibes, make sure you hit that subscribe button and become a homie of mine. So y'all, yeah, this is the third time y'all done seen this outfit because I recorded all these videos in the same day, and y'all gonna like it. All right, so right now I'm about to go to Zaxby's and try these loaded fries. I think it has like bacon, cheese, and chicken on it. I'm not gonna get the bacon on it because I don't eat bacon, but we're gonna try these out. About to head through this drive-through line. Hopefully by the time I get up there, Zaxby's is just so high these days. This is gonna be the view until I get my car mount that actually can work for my car. So these loaded fries might be all I get for myself. Not Zaxby's trying to steal the Chick-fil-A method and take orders outside. Y'all look at this. Look at ma'am taking orders outside. Like, y'all tried it. But yeah, they really tried it, trying to copy Chick-fil-A swag. Y'all could never. Y'all got good chicken, but y'all could never move as smoothly as Chick-fil-A. You could never. Okay, line might be moving a little fast. You know, I might get a side of like tongue torch on the side. These things are $7.99. Sheesh. Miss Ma'am is out here taking orders outside. I am so done with Zaxby's. They trying to copy the Chick-fil-A swag. Bet you can't take your order outside. I mean, bet you can't pay for it outside. Bet you did. Bet you ain't got that high tech. Ebony. E-B-O-N-Y.
And what can I get for you?
I want to get the chicken loaded fries.
Okay.
With no bacon.
Okay.
And also a chicken finger meal.
4, 5, or 6?
5.
Fries and slaw?
Yes.
And what's drink?
A Sprite.
Anything else?
That'll be it.
Loaded fries with no bacon and 5-finger plate fries and slaw with a Sprite. $20.25 at the first one.
All right. $20.25. What the hell did I get? Something ain't right. Something can't be right. I'm about to starve. Ooh, my elbows is ashy. Y'all don't look at them. But y'all, let me tell y'all, so I manage this YouTube channel, right? And one of the comments that popped up on this my client's page was, well, under the video was, it was a luxury designer haul video. So the lady proceeds to say, nice bag, but before you start filming, make sure you put lotion on your elbows and use a body scrub. Miss Ma'am, you're not even paying attention to the subject at hand. It's like nice bag, but you need to do XYZ. Don't think y'all can just say whatever you want to people. Like, I don't understand. Why do people do that? Why you feel like it's necessary for you to be able to say whatever you want to people? Do not do that. That shit is not cool. It's not cool. The fact that I'm about to spend $20 at Zaxby's, it don't sit well with me. Cause I'm like, how much does the five finger plate cost? $13? No, 12. Something. We about to see.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good, thank you. Let's see, we got loaded fries, no bacon, and 5 finger plate with fries, ball, and Sprite.
Yes.
Sound good? It is $20.25.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is they going good?
It is. It is.
Good. Well, I hope it stays that way.
Thank
and
you.
I hope you enjoy your meal. There's something bad wrong with me today.
You. Thank you. Let's see how much this costs. Oh, it was $10.59 for the 5 fingers. Sheesh.
Loaded fries and a 5 finger plate.
Yes.
Have a good
Thank
day.
you. We about to try this loaded chicken. These loaded fries. It's supposed to be chicken bacon ranch, but I got it without the bacon. So we about to try the loaded. Ooh, we about to try the loaded fries. They look good. Like they put a lot of ranch on it. You know, it just probably be good with some hot sauce on top of it. Woo wee! Should've got some tongue torch sauce. I gotta take my rubber bands out. That it for the fork in here good. I'm hungry, and so we about to see. But this is what it looked like, y'all. It look good. So I'm gonna it's got cheese, fries, and chicken. It would have been bacon, but I ain't get the bacon. So I'm really full of bacon like that. So we about to see. That's good. When I get home, I'm about to pop some hot sauce on this. This shit gonna be fire. Excuse me. Okay, y'all, my bad. My camera died. My battery pack died in my camera. And it cut off. So, I got some napkins. Okay. But I got the bright idea. I like hot sauce and ranch things together. So I got the bright idea, and I'm about to add some Texas Pete to this. I should have got some tongue torch, but next time I get this, because I'm going to get it again, whenever I go back to Zaxby's, I'm going to add tongue torch to it. So, let's see. And I'm going to get like a piece of like chicken and a piece of fries. A piece of fries, a fry with the ranch and cheese on it. This gonna be good. Shut up and shoot me. This is good. This is really good. I will get this again for sure. But make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Poppin' shit, but only